Hi guys! Yay! It's a bulldog challenge for me! And yeah, it's it's times 2 chili. Yeah, it's a bulldog samyang roast carbonara. Yeah, it's a challenge for me. It's so very spicy, guys. Yeah, hopefully, yeah. Here it is, guys. I already made it now. This one. Hopefully, I could eat this, okay? Let's gonna try this. Yahoo! There's, guys. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Ayan, guys. But I have a juice here. Yeah. Hindi pwedeng wala akong juice kasi napaka anghang daw nito. Yeah, it's maanghang. Sabi maanghang kasi, oo, maanghang siya, maanghang. So, I need to try this one. And it's hot pa. So, I need to, ayan, masyado na siyang nagdikit-dikit. Okay. Oh my goodness. Unang suko pa lang. Naunghang na. Ayan na. Yeah. Isa pa. Tatry ko isa pa. Kasi maanghang talaga siya. Oo, maanghang talaga. Promise. Yeah. Nakakaloka. Anghang talaga, promise. Guys, marami pa siya. Pero maanghang. Oo. Masakit na sa ganito. Kaya guys, if you want, try this one. Yeah, it's a times 2. Times 2 spicy. Maanghang talaga siya. Nakakaloka. Ayan, oh. There's a chili there, oh. Woo! But anyway, guys, anghang. Thank you. Yeah, just do this kind of challenge for me. It's yeah, it's yummy, but it's super anghang. Yeah, it's so spicy. Yeah, you need some juice or something that you could lessen the spiciness in your mouth. Yeah. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye. Thank you.